channel. Welcome to Yaro. Today we are going to cover Excel Basics Part 1, in which fill handle. How we are going to fill data in Excel is what we are going to cover. First of all, the data filling is going to be always typing 1, 2, 3, 4. For a serial number entering also, if you don't know effective filling on Excel, you have to go on filling 1 to 18, 100, 200. But I am going to tell you how effectively you can do it in Excel. Now coming to Excel, I filled only 1 in the first cell. For easy understanding, I am zooming out. See, there is 1 number entered. If I change it, enter 1. Now after entering, if you select, there is a small black color dot called dot in the right side bottom corner. If inside the cell area, if you take your mouse pointer, it becomes hollow plus. If you take that handle into the corner of the cell, it is solid plus. When it's solid plus comes, that means the data can be filled effectively. Now there is multiple ways of filling data. Now I am going to fill this data up to 18 by selecting the cells up to 18. Selected, press Ctrl D. It fills the data automatically, but it's not going to fill the sequence. The same data it copies, so it is not going to give any effectiveness for you to fill data. And if you want to fill it in the right side, select the right side area and press Ctrl R. The Ctrl R will fill the data in right sides. For example, 1, select right, Ctrl R, it will fill 1, 1, 1 in the selected area. Now, but when you want to enter the sequence of data, again, I am going to enter this data up to 12. So now, go to this solid plus, press the mouse and drag up to 12. Now you see 1, 1, 1, 1 and it filled entire data Excel. But you don't want the same number to be copied. You want the series. Now click on this bottom Excel option, autofill option. This is called autofill options. If you click on that, there is an option opens, copy cells, fill series, fill format only, fill without formatting. The bottom two I cover later. If you select fill series, it will fill the series. Once again, I am going to enter another number, drag down to 12, select fill series, it is going to fill the data. If you don't want, copy cells. So we can go back. Okay, I am going to fill 12, fill series, it's filled data. It not only works in numbers, it also works text. Understand, you want to enter Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now you entered Sunday, drag down, automatically the Excel understands that what you entered. The fill handle automatically understands that what was entered inside the cell and find the sequence. If the predefined sequence are there, it is going to enter that. That's what it has done. But there is an option comes. What comes? Autofill options. There are multiple options. With the numbers, only 4 options came. With the text of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there is 2 more extra options, which is fill days and fill weekdays. The moment the fill handle is used, the Excel system automatically understands and suggests you for fill days or fill weekdays. If you select fill days, it's going to be copy cells only Sunday, fill days Sunday, Monday, fill weekdays, it will only enter Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No Saturday, Sunday. As I have entered first Sunday, that's why it is giving Sunday. If I enter Tuesday and drag it down and select for weekdays, it enters only weekdays. Automatically it enters weekdays. Now For the purpose of your understanding, another way it works: April, try for it. February, it filled up to March. The options are same: fill months, fill series. Now, the other important thing is the fill and will understand that you are trying to enter the short name of month, so it entered short name. If we enter April and track down, it automatically understand that you want full name of the month, it enters full name. Say MA. Don't understand, it understood May as a full and automatically filled full names of the month. The other important thing is, see, I entered May, June, and I am going to format it or fill it. Now if I drag it, it fills with month, but I don't want fill without formatting, it automatically formats. So I want fill series, fill without. Now always I want the data not to be copied, only format copied. So it automatically fills the format, not the data. So with this fill, you can use it effectively every area. The other part of important thing on this, every area for filling it, every time no need to drag it down with your mouse. As left side, once you have entered the data, it is easy to fill the data. So first enter first data, go to fill handle and double click on it. The moment you double click, Excel understand that you want to fill the data down. So it tracks down left side how much numbers entered, the same numbers it enter the series. Now is the other way around. If it is in the right side, for understanding I am only entering up to December. Now Tuesday, right side also it tracks down and enter up to the last series. So the Excel fill handle is a effective tool to use whenever you want. So I think you understood this clearly. The important thing is the black dot and a solid plus. In some cases of black dot, some cases of Excel, the black dot and solid handle will not come. Why it will not come, how to correct it, that I will cover in my part 2 of basics video. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Thank you for watching my videos. Share your feedback, shortcomings for me to improve. Thank you once again.